In this video, we will learn how to install Pandas library in Anaconda. So here I will show you two different ways to install Pandas. The first one is through Anaconda Navigator and the second one is through the Anaconda prompt or the terminal. So now this is my Anaconda Navigator, and to install Pandas, first of all we will click on this environments. Now here we will see all the environments which we have created through Anaconda. So here first we will create a virtual environment for our project because it is recommended to have a separate virtual environment for each of the project. So we will also create the environment first and then we will install the Pandas library inside that created environment. But in case you already have the virtual environment created for your project, then you can skip the creation part and select the environment from this list and install the Pandas library inside that environment. Now to create the virtual environment, first we will click on this create, then this dialog box will come up and here we will give the name of the virtual environment. So I will type pandas_env. So this is the name of the virtual environment which we want to create here. Now from here we can select the programming language and this Python would be selected by default. And from this drop down we can change the Python version. So whatever version we will select from here, it will install that particular version in this new environment. So for now I will keep this as it is and finally click on this create. So now the environment is being created. So let's wait for some time here. And now it is loading some base packages in the environment. So finally it is finished now and we can see our environment in this list. Now here this environment is already selected for me, but if in case it is not selected for you, then click on this and select this manually. Otherwise the library would not get installed in this environment. And now we will click on this drop down and here by default this installed option would be selected, which means that these are the libraries which are currently installed in this selected environment. So now to install Pandas, we will search for Pandas in this search option. So here we can see that we did not get anything in the search results because this Pandas library is not installed currently in this selected environment. So now again we will click on this drop down and this time we will select this not installed option. So as soon as we selected this not installed option, we will see all the libraries here which has Pandas either in this name or in the description. So here this is the Pandas library which we want to install. So we will select this from here and click on apply. Now we will get this type of dialog box and it is saying that 14 packages will be installed. So if I scroll down to the last, then we have this Pandas library and all the other libraries are the dependent packages of this Pandas. So that's why they are marked with this star. And here also it is written that this star indicates the package is a dependency of the selected package. So now finally we will click on this apply, which will start our installation. And now this is installed successfully. So let's verify the installation, and for that we will again click on this drop down and select this installed option. And here we already have this Pandas written. So this time we will see this Pandas library here which was not present earlier. So this is the evidence that the Pandas is installed successfully in this selected environment. Now we will see the another way of installing Pandas, which is through Anaconda prompt or the terminal. So if you are using Windows, then it would be the Anaconda prompt, and in case of Mac it will be terminal. So now I will open the terminal because for my case it is the Mac system. Now when you open the terminal or the Anaconda prompt, this base environment would be already activated. And now to install Pandas, here also first we will create one virtual environment and then we will install the Pandas library inside that created environment. So to create the environment, we will type conda space create then space hyphen name, and now we will type the name of the virtual environment which we want to create. So let's say this is pandas_new env, then space, and now at the last we will type python equals to and the version of the Python which we want to install in this new environment. So I will type 3.13 because this is the latest version as of now, and also this Python argument is the optional one, but it is a best practice to provide this argument and the suitable Python version. Now after this we will hit enter. Now here it is saying that these many packages will be installed in the new environment. So we will type y here and hit enter. So finally it is completed now and our environment should be created. So let's verify that, and for that we will list down all the environments which are managed by Anaconda. So we will type conda space env space list and hit enter. So here we can see that our new environment is also present here, which was this pandas_new env. So it means our environment is created successfully. Now we will activate this environment, but before that let me clear the terminal once so that it would be better visible to you. And now to activate the environment we will type conda space activate, then space and the name of the environment, which was pandas underscore new env, and hit enter. So as soon as the command is executed, we will see this pandas underscore new env within these brackets. So it means the environment is activated now. And now finally we will install the pandas library in this activated virtual environment. So for that we will type pip install then pandas and hit enter. And once this is installed, we will see this message of successful installation. And now to verify the installation, let's print all the libraries that are currently installed in the current activated environment. So we will run this command, which is conda space list. So here we will see this pandas library also, which has this particular version. And now we will quickly try to import this pandas library in the Python shell, but let me clear the terminal once for better visibility. And now here we will type Python and hit enter. So we are now in the Python shell, and here we will import the pandas library. So we will type import space pandas. So the import was successful without any error. And now we will also print the version of pandas. So we will type print then pandas dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore and hit enter. So here we have got the version also in the output. So this is the evidence that the pandas is installed successfully in our environment. Now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you, and make sure to hit the like button. And for free courses you can also refer the video description.